Drought-tolerant perennials offer a sustainable solution for dry climates, flourishing with little irrigation. Their deep roots and tough nature help them withstand harsh conditions while adding enduring beauty to the garden. These plants reduce water usage, support pollinators, and bring vibrant color and texture season after season with minimal care. Let's dive right into the top 10 drought-tolerant perennials. Black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia, is a popular, drought-tolerant perennial known for its bright yellow, daisy-like flowers with dark brown centers. Blooming from summer into fall, it adds long-lasting color to gardens and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Native to North America, this hardy plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, tolerating heat and dry conditions with ease. Its upright growth habit and vibrant blooms make it ideal for borders, wildflower gardens, and naturalized areas. Low maintenance and deer-resistant, Black-eyed Susan is perfect for sustainable landscapes, offering both beauty and ecological value with minimal care once established. Coneflower, Echinacea, is a hardy, drought-tolerant perennial prized for its striking, daisy-like flowers with raised, cone-shaped centers. Typically blooming in shades of purple, pink, or white, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it ideal for xeriscaping and low-maintenance gardens. Native to North America, coneflowers attract bees, butterflies, and birds, especially goldfinches that feed on the seed heads in fall. Their deep roots help them endure heat and dry spells. With long-lasting blooms from summer to early fall, Echinacea adds bold color, resilience, and ecological value to perennial borders, wildflower gardens, and pollinator-friendly landscapes. Blanket flower, Gaillardia grandiflora, is a vibrant, drought-tolerant perennial known for its bold, daisy-like blooms in fiery shades of red, orange, and yellow. Blooming from early summer through fall, it brings long-lasting color to gardens even in hot, dry conditions. This low-maintenance plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it ideal for xeriscaping and borders. Native to North and South America, it attracts butterflies and pollinators while resisting deer and pests. With a compact growth habit and continuous flowering, blanket flower is a favorite for adding warmth, texture, and resilience to water-wise and sunny garden spaces. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, is a fragrant, drought-tolerant perennial prized for its silvery foliage and spikes of purple-blue flowers. Native to the Mediterranean, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it perfect for dry, sunny gardens and rock landscapes. Blooming from late spring to summer, lavender attracts bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, enhancing biodiversity. Its aromatic scent also makes it popular in herb gardens, dried arrangements, and essential oil production. Easy to grow and deer-resistant, lavender adds beauty, texture, and a calming fragrance to borders, pathways, and containers, while requiring minimal water and maintenance once established. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium, is a hardy, drought-tolerant perennial known for its feathery, fern-like foliage and flat clusters of tiny flowers in shades of white, yellow, pink, or red. Blooming from late spring through summer, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, tolerating heat and dry conditions with ease. Native to temperate regions of the northern hemisphere, yarrow attracts pollinators such as bees and butterflies while being deer and rabbit resistant. Its sturdy stems make it ideal for cut flowers and dried arrangements. Low maintenance and fast spreading, yarrow is perfect for borders, wildflower meadows, and water-wise garden landscapes. Verbena, Verbena rigida, is a tough, drought-tolerant perennial valued for its clusters of vibrant purple or magenta flowers and spreading, mat-forming growth habit. Blooming from summer to fall, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, tolerating heat, poor soil, and dry conditions. This South American native is a magnet for butterflies and other pollinators, making it an excellent choice for pollinator-friendly gardens. Verbena rigida is low-maintenance, deer-resistant, and ideal for borders, rock gardens, or as ground cover in xeriscapes. Its long blooming season and rich color make it a reliable and beautiful addition to any sunny, water-wise landscape. Sedum, commonly known as stonecrop, is a resilient, drought-tolerant perennial favored for its succulent leaves and star-shaped flowers that bloom in late summer to fall. Available in a variety of forms, spreading ground covers to upright clumps, sedum thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, requiring minimal water once established. Its fleshy foliage stores moisture, allowing it to withstand hot, dry conditions. Sedum attracts bees and butterflies, adding ecological value to gardens. Popular varieties like Sedum spectabile and Sedum spurium are excellent for rock gardens, borders, and green roofs. Easy to grow and low maintenance, Sedum is perfect for water-wise, colorful landscaping. Tickseed, Coreopsis verticillata, is a cheerful, drought-tolerant perennial known for its fine, airy foliage and bright yellow, daisy-like flowers that bloom from early summer to fall. Native to North America, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, handling heat and dry spells with ease. This hardy plant attracts butterflies and pollinators while resisting deer and pests, making it an ideal choice for low-maintenance, sustainable gardens. Its compact, mounding form is perfect for borders, cottage gardens, and wildflower meadows. With its long bloom period and minimal water needs, Coreopsis verticillata brings lasting color and resilience to any sunny landscape. Agastache, commonly known as hyssop or hummingbird mint, is a fragrant, drought-tolerant perennial celebrated for its tall spikes of tubular flowers in shades of purple, pink, orange, or blue. Blooming from summer to fall, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it ideal for xeriscaping and pollinator gardens. Native to North America, Agastache attracts bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds while being deer and rabbit resistant. Its aromatic, mint-scented foliage adds sensory appeal and helps deter pests. With minimal water needs and a long blooming season, Agastache is a vibrant, low-maintenance choice for sunny borders and naturalistic garden designs. Russian sage, Perovskia atriplycifolia, is a striking, drought-tolerant perennial prized for its tall, airy spires of lavender blue flowers and finely textured, silvery gray foliage. Blooming from midsummer to fall, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, tolerating heat, drought, and poor soils with ease. Native to Central Asia, Russian sage attracts bees, butterflies, and other pollinators while resisting deer and pests. Its aromatic foliage and upright form make it an excellent choice for borders, cottage gardens, and xeriscapes. With minimal maintenance and exceptional resilience, Perovskia atriplycifolia adds height, movement, and color to water-wise landscapes.